welcome back to my channel. Today's video, you can see I'm with a hairstyle already. In today's video, I'm showing you how I achieve this bun with a scoop hairstyle. I've been seeing this hairstyle all over my timeline and I thought to myself, why not do this for you guys? So yeah, in today's video, I'm showing you how to achieve this hairstyle on 4C hair. And I got you girls, so yeah, make sure to stay tuned, make sure to share with your family and friends to see how you can achieve this hairstyle on 4C hair, girl. The secret ingredient to my secret ingredient swoop is this Keisha collection edge control. So this edge control, you guys, I don't know what's in this thing, but this thing, if you're searching for an edge control that will hold your edges for the whole day, get onto this, sis. So this is amazing, y'all. From the very moment you add it onto your hair, it stays like that. Okay, this is what it looks like. It smells good. It smells like grapes. I like to add some of the on the back of my hair. See that? Do y'all see that? See how smooth onto it is? The scoop. And now for the big reveal. So I changed my color. So yeah guys, thank you guys so much for watching. This was a quick tutorial. So if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to do that down below. Give it a like and comment. Make sure to do that, and see you in my next video. Bye guys. But I wasn't wrong up in my head. But I wasn't wrong.